Hey friends, Linda here with Life on Summer Hill, and today I'm so excited to be showing you a tablescape idea for your families and friends this holiday season. When I was growing up, my mom and my grandma always set the table for Thanksgiving. Sometimes it was really nice dishes, and other times it was just paper plates. But it was always set, and there was always something pretty in the middle. And all those memories are such good memories of sitting around the table with family. And so each year I come up with a tablescape idea for your table with a centerpiece and other creative ways you can make it fun for your family. And this year I've come up with something a little more warm and cozy, something that really brings home that traditional autumn color feeling. So let's get started. To begin, let's place on the table a blanket and a runner go in opposite directions. Then layer another layer with a piece of wood on top of that. These layers will really accentuate your centerpiece when we get to that step. So next we're going to add chamber lamps or oil lamps. I chose 3 lamps on my table. Depending upon your length, you can go more. Next, put a leaf garland around it. This leaf garland is a DIY I have in another video. So once you have your leaf garland around it, start placing white plates and wood salad plates on top of that. Now, I went back to the table and added these brass candlesticks, and I lifted up that middle lamp with these old books. Just felt like it needed something. So once you have all your place settings in place, you're going to need some silverware and you're going to need some mugs. We are using Marty's parents' mugs, and I love using something that is old or that belonged to someone in the family on the table. It just really gives it another warm feeling. So the next step, you can place a cute little pumpkin in the middle of your place setting, or in our situation, we put these adorable apple pies that we found in the produce section at Walmart. They're so cute. Just take a flour sack material, cut it, tie it around it in a sailor's knot, and you have the cutest decoration for each place setting. And you have dessert for dinner too. So if you're wanting to know where I found this flour sack material, I actually ordered flour sack material towels off of Amazon, and I just tore them up to make it. So there you have it. There's the whole table except for little details like adding pillows to benches, or you can put more blankets on chairs, which I didn't do here, but I'm just giving you a few fun ideas. Okay, so what did you think? Did you like the table? This is such an easy and great table to create, and using a blanket makes it warm and cozy. I'm so glad you came to join me today, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future DIYs, home decor, and holiday decor projects and entertaining projects. So again, I want to thank you for coming, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.